Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight on a Dodge Challenger driver's side. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and your new headlight bulb. Make sure your Challenger is completely off and the engine has cooled down. Always park on a level surface and engage the parking brake to ensure safety throughout the process. This preparation is key for a smooth replacement. Next, you'll need to access the headlight assembly. Begin by locating and removing the plastic push pins that secure the fender liner. Then, unscrew the bolts positioned along the top of the bumper cover. With these fasteners removed, gently pull back the fender liner. This action will create enough space for you to reach the headlight unit and proceed with the replacement. Now it's time to replace the bulb itself. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old headlight bulb. Once disconnected, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Take your new bulb, being careful not to touch the glass, and insert it into the housing. Twist it clockwise until it is securely seated and then reattach the electrical connector. Finally, let's reassemble everything and test your new headlight. Push the fender liner back into its original position and secure it with the plastic push pins. Reinstall all the bumper bolts you removed earlier. Once everything is back in place, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to ensure it's working properly. You've successfully changed your headlight.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.